Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, and if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, come join the family though, like brother, sister. And for my returning subscribers, hey family, I'm so happy that you came back to watch yet another video. And today I did my signature. This is literally like my signature look. I'm living for this look. I enjoy it. I thrive on it. I just enjoy like doing my makeup just like this. I don't like getting out of my comfort zone, and this is like home. This is like everything. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, please be sure to carry on watching, and let's get started. So we are just gonna get ready. So today we'll be using the Maybelline Face Studio Prime Hydrating Primer. Okay, so now we're gonna probably do eyes. I think that would be best. So we're gonna prime our lids with the Beauty Hyper Pro Cream Contour Palette, and we'll be using this shade right here for the lids. Now we're just going to set the lids with the Yardley Absolute Translucent powder. So I have been recently I've been using this like natural palette by Makeup Revolution, and I'm absolutely in love with it. This is like literally like my go-to look. I feel like this is low-key my signature look for almost every palette that I get, because most of the time I get warm palettes, and that's just me, that's just Nathanie. We just do warm shades over here. We don't ever, okay, we do sometimes go to that side where there's colorful and stuff like that, but this is like my comfort zone, and I know you need to step out of your comfort zone to grow up to what is it? I don't even know. Anyways, so I am using the reloaded the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Fever palette. These shades don't have names, so I'm just gonna show you. Oh, I freaking hate opening it because I feel like I'm gonna break a nail. Anyways, so I'm going to start off this makeup look using this shade right here. And I'm just going to put it, apply it to my, as a transition color, so just by my crease. So that's what I'm doing now. And then the next shade I like to go in is this shade right here. And just go on the edges just to make it a bit lighter, because I feel like this one's really dark. So with this shade, you just want to apply it on like the edges, just to soften the edges. That's what I usually do. Okay, and then now I'm gonna go into this shade. Sorry, I don't know how to hold this damn thing. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, right next to the orange shade, and I'm just gonna apply that onto my lids and then just darken some of the outer corner. So onto the lid. And I'm just patting it on as well onto the lid. You don't want to swipe it, you just want to apply it onto the lid. So that's like my go-to look, like my go-to makeup. I'm kidding. So usually after that I would think of like maybe putting on a wing or just putting on lashes, but today we're going to a concert, so maybe we should be a bit extra, but not really, because it's gonna be in the dark and ain't nobody gonna see it. So you need to also think about these things, like you can't be out here giving people your best wing when they won't be able to see it. So we're just gonna put on lashes and call it a day. So sorry, I'm so sorry. See, I'm not used to this, I'm really not. So we're going to be using the Revlon VolumAzing, I don't know how you say it, volumazing, I don't know. Anyways, it's for volume, and this is what it looks like. It's also the waterproof one, so this is what we're gonna be using. So while that like simmers or does whatever it does, we're actually going to put on foundation. And I'm actually excited because I've been loving this like combination. And if you're new to the channel, I love combining foundations because I don't really have like a proper shade unless it's like Fenty. And you know, we can't be using Fenty all the times. It's be expensive, you know? So these are the ones that I've been using. So I've been mixing the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the shade Cocoa with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, I think. Hang on. MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC50. So this is the one I've been using. So I've been using these two together, and especially if it's like a long day that I need my makeup to last, I would usually mix these two together and they would give me that all day flawless look, you know? So yeah, so I'm just gonna mix these two together. Then we go into the Beauty Hyper Pro Cream Contour Palette. And then we make a mixture of this shade right here and this shade right here to conceal my under eyes. I just like mixing the two because it gives me a good effect. Okay. Usually while this happens, I like to apply like my lashes and do that stuff because I want it to sit just a little bit. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to add my lashes, the Eyelash Boutique, and this is in the shape Dolce 3, and they are so, I actually love them. I think I paid about 180, and these are what the lashes look like. They are so amazing. They look very drams, like very dramatic. I literally wear this almost every time I face beat. So to me it's a lot, but to other people it's like the most. So I'm going to do it quickly off camera and then I'll come back on camera. Okay, so lashes on. We've kept this on for long enough, so I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender or my beauty sponge, let's say that. And then we're gonna go back into, we're gonna use the Absolute Translucent. And now I'm gonna go into the Makeup Revolution Iconic, the Makeup Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour Pro palette. So this is the colors that we're going to be using. I'm probably going to be using this shade right here and this shade right here. And then we're gonna go into a glow palette. And now we're gonna go in with a glow palette. We're going to be using these 3 shades, so I'm going to tap in all 3 of them. Now for a lippy, I've been using this one since like not back in the day, like it's been a while actually, and this is really like my go-to look almost every time. And this is really it really is like my go-to look. With this hair parted this way, this is like my go-to. But for reals though. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you next time.